Today on the menu, I'm going to make a blackberry creme brulee with ricotta chantilly cream topped with glazed blackberries from my garden that I've been holding on to for a recipe just like this. All the ingredients will be in my description box in case you want to follow along. Now let's get into the recipe. First up, add your blackberries to a small pot, leaving some of them for another aspect of the recipe. Put them on the stovetop that's set to medium heat, add in the sugar, and bring this to a rolling simmer for 7 to 10 minutes, then mash them up or blend them with a stick blender. Now you're going to strain the blackberry reduction through a mesh strainer to remove the seeds, and then use a spoonful of the syrupy reduction to coat some of the reserved blackberries from earlier and set them aside for later. Next, you're going to pour the cream into the same pot that you cooked the blackberries in and bring them up to temp just before they start to simmer. Once it hits the 170 to 180 degree Fahrenheit mark, strain the cream. After that, you're going to add in the egg yolks to the rest of the blackberry reduction and give them a really good whisk. Then you're going to temper in the hot blackberry cream a little bit at a time into the blackberry infused eggs, and the custard base is ready to go. Place a spoonful of the glazed blackberries at the bottom of each dish you'll be using to bake the custard in, and then carefully pour the custard base into each one until they're about 2/3 full. Place the custards into a 325 degree Fahrenheit oven that's submerged in a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of each baking dish, and cook these for around 45 minutes. Once they are fully baked and have a solid jiggle to them, remove the tray from the oven, out of the water bath, and let these cool down for 15 minutes before placing them in the fridge to cool down completely. To finish this blackberry creme brulee, coat the top with a thin layer of caster sugar and torch until it's a golden brown. Top with a simple sweet vanilla whipped cream that's mixed with a little bit of ricotta and lemon zest. Make a nice little divot in the cream and place a spoonful or two of those glazed blackberries to really solidify that this is a true blackberry filled dessert through and through. This particular version of creme brulee is very special to me. It reflects a lot of hard work the last few years with my blackberry cultivars, but creme brulee can be infused with so many different variations of ingredients, from berries to nuts, caramels, chocolate, florals, and beyond. I really hope you guys enjoyed my take on this incredibly flexible and delicious French custard, and make sure to drop a comment letting me know your thoughts on it if you did like the video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this recipe far and wide. Till next time, stay creative in the kitchen, and I'll see you guys with another creation very soon. Later, folks.